Welcome. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way computers talk to each other, JSON-RPC. Imagine you're sitting in your room, but the kitchen is all the way downstairs. You want a sandwich, but you don't want to get up. You need a way to send a specific instruction to the kitchen to make that sandwich and bring it back to you. In the world of computers, we call this a remote procedure call, or RPC. JSON-RPC is a solution. It's a remote procedure call protocol that uses JSON format, simple, human-readable text that computers love. It's the easiest way for programs to communicate, whether they're on the same computer or across the internet. Let's say you want to order a pizza. You, the client, need to send a request to the chef, the server, but you can't just yell pizza. You have to send a specific note with 4 parts. First, the protocol version, like saying I'm speaking English. Second, the method, the action, like make pizza. Third, the parameters, the ingredients, like cheese and pepperoni. And fourth, an ID, your order number, so you know the pizza is yours and not your neighbor's. JSON-RPC has 3 types of messages. Requests, where the client asks the server to do something. Responses, where the server replies with the result. And notifications, one-way messages that don't need a reply. Here's how it works in action. Step 1. The client sends a request with the method and parameters. Step 2. The server receives and processes a request. Step 3. The server sends back a response with the result. This simple 3-step flow enables powerful communication between any 2 systems. In the Model Context Protocol, JSON-RPC is everywhere. Messages flow from the MCP host through MCP clients to MCP servers. Every single interaction, requesting tools, calling functions, sending notifications, uses JSON-RPC as a communication layer. JSON-RPC can travel in 2 ways. STDIO transport is used for local servers on the same computer. It's fast and direct. HTTP transport is used for remote servers over the internet. It's scalable and can handle multiple clients. And that's JSON-RPC, the simple yet powerful protocol that makes MCP possible. In the next video, we'll explore how JSON-RPC compares to REST APIs, when to use each one, and how they can work together. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.